Hey guys, Mr. Baines here to talk about exponents. Let's get started. Add this to your table of contents. Go ahead and pause it. All right. You'll be able to identify the base and the exponent, and you'll be able to find area and volume of squares and cubes, respectively. Okay. You will be able to find the base, the exponent in an expression, the square of a number, a cube of a number, and raise a number to a power of an exponent. Okay. So exponents are just a quick way, or powers are a quick way to write repeated multiplication. So 2 to the power of 4 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times itself 4 times, which is equal to 16. Okay, you would say this 2 to the 4th power. That means 2 is multiplied by itself 4 times. When raising a number to a power, you need the base. So the base is the orange number here, and it is raised to an exponent, or this whole thing is called a power, 2 to the 4th power. When a number is written as a power, it is written in exponential form. So this is exponential form. If you multiply the base and simplify the answer, the number is now written in standard form. Okay, so this would be standard form. Okay, standard form, exponential form. All right, try these in your notebook. Go ahead and pause it. Okay. Oh, I guess this would be standard form. This is a power. This is standard form. Just the answer is standard form. And this is expanded notation. That's right. Okay. All right, 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 as a power. So this would be an example of a power. Go ahead and pause it. 7 to the 7. All right. What is the base in this expression? Go ahead and pause it. Okay, the correct answer is 3. What is the exponent in this expression? Go ahead and pause it. Correct answer is 2. 2 is the exponent. What's the base in this expression? Go ahead and pause it. 7 is the correct answer. What is the exponent in this expression? Go ahead and pause it. 3 is the correct answer. Okay. Squares. Raising a number to the power of 2 is also called squaring it. So you can say 2 to the power of 2, or you can say 2 squared. Both are the same. Okay. 3 squared, okay, is 3 to the power of 2, which is 9. 4 squared is 4 to the power of 2. All right. And the reason for this is squares. A square has side lengths that are equal to each other. So it's the same number, 2 and 2. So to find the area, you have to multiply this number by itself, because all the side lengths are the same. So that's why we call it squaring. Okay, so 2 squared makes a square with an area of 4. 3 squared makes a square with an area of 9. 4 squared makes a square with an area of 16. Okay. What would the area of a square with side lengths of 6 be? So there's a square, it's got side lengths of 6. What would the area be? Go ahead and pause it. Correct answer is 36. 6 squared is 36. Cubes are pretty similar, but instead of being to the power of 2, it's a power of 3. So 2 to the power of 3 is also 2 cubed. You can read it as 2 cubed, or 2 to the power of 3 is also correct. All right, so 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. All right, this comes from the fact that the volume of a cube with side length of 3 would just be 3 times 3 times 3, or 27. Okay. So volume is length times width times height. So the volume of this cube is 2 cubed, 2 to the third power. The volume of this cube is 3 cubed, 3 to the third power. You can also show this understanding on a number line. So if you travel a distance of 2 times, okay, that would get you to 4. If you travel a distance of 3 times, because it's 3 times 3, that would be 1, 2, 3. Take you to 9. Gets a little more complicated after you change it to cubed. So the first part of it is 2 times 2. So you do that first step. Go a distance of 2 twice. But then you have to do this 2 times. So you went a distance of 4 twice. This is 4 2 times. Okay. So 4 squared is you go a distance of 4 times. You went 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Landed on 16. All right, to do 2 to the 4, it gets even more complicated. All right, but this should be pretty easy to see. So these two arrows, so 2 times 2, you went a distance of 2 twice. So you went 4. All right, then you go a distance of 4 2 times. Then you travel a distance of 8 2 times, which takes you to 16. So you can see multiplying by itself is just you do each step that number of times. Evaluate 3 squared, or 3 to the power of 2. Go ahead and pause it. Correct answer is 9. Evaluate 8 squared. Go ahead and pause it. The correct answer is 64. 8 times itself is 64. 8 times 8, 64. Evaluate 4 cubed. Go ahead and pause it. Okay, 4 cubed would be 4 times 4, which is 16. And then 16 times 4 is 64. So the answer to this is 64. Evaluate 7 cubed. Go ahead and pause it. Okay, the answer to this, 7 times 7 is 49. 49 times 7 is 343. So the correct answer to this one is 343. Oops, that's supposed to say exponent. Sorry. Write exponent here. Write the definition of exponent, not equivalent ratio. Exponent in your own words, and then draw a picture if you can here. Go ahead and pause it. That is it for this video. I will see you guys next time.